औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़ाल रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा आमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I am from Sitting School System, Girja Road, Rawalpindi. Class 5. I am here to teach you subject English. Today the date is 20th March 2021 and day is Saturday. Today's our topic is the world in a wall. The SLOs of this unit is students will be able to know about the prey and predator. They also will be able to know about the phobia of matchbox. They also will be able to know about the creature lived in a wall. So dear students, previous knowledge of this unit is, have you ever seen a scorpion? क्या आपने कभी कोई स्कॉर्पियन देखा है, बिच्छू? हैव यू एवर हर्ड अबाउट द वर्ड फोबिया? क्या आपने कभी फोबिया लफ्ज़ सुना है? फोबिया मीन खौफ. डू यू नो अबाउट प्रे एंड प्रीडेटर? So dear students, now come to the unit, the word in a wall, page number 2. In this page, poet describe about the wall, which is Gerald's home backside. Gerald was very fond in collected many small insects and many small creatures. He used to go at the back of his house. In this page, you know about prey and predator. Prey is a term used to describe organisms that predator kill for food. And a predator is an animal that hunts, kills and eats other animals for food. So dear students, every day and every night, Gerald found some new species. He found many dragon, flies, spider, lizards and caterpillar and other insects over there. But his favorite creature was a scorpion. So dear students, one day he went to his home's backside and finally he found a female scorpion. It has a brown fur coat and on his back his babies were clinging. He took him into the matchbox and took him into his home and placed it on the top of a mantelpiece. So he kept it there secretly. He went to feed his dog and completely forgot about his exciting new creature. After taking lunch, his brother Larry came to that room and searched the matchbox for his cigarette. So dear students, as he opened the matchbox, he could get out some of the matchsticks to burn his cigarette. And all the scorpions climbed out on his hand and tried to get rid from them. All the scorpions fell on the ground and securing everyone. There was a great panic and fear everywhere. The whole family tried to kill the scorpion. Some bodies with spoons, some with handkerchiefs, and some were killed with water. But when Gerald saw, he came in, hurried into the room and shouted not to hurt them anymore. These creatures are mine. He collected them all with spoon and back to the matchbox and throw them where they belong. His mother tried to stop them from exploring animals' world and brought them a tutor. So dear student, here is your home task. First of all, write date at left side of your page and day at right side of your page. Unit 1, the world in a wall. The first word is bulbous. Bulbous means fat. Urdu meaning is mota. Bulging, sticking out, बाहर की तरफ निकलना. Confetti, colorful pieces of paper. रंगीन कागज़ के टुकड़े. Dawdling, being slow, आहिस्ता होना. Infinity, limitless, लामहदूद. Phobia, fear, खौफ. Scuttled, hasty steps, बिखरे हुए. Rapidity, moving with great speed, तेज़ी से. Quashed, stop, रुक जाना. Intricate, difficult, उलझा हुआ. So dear students, Writing should be neat and clean and must be in calligraphy. So dear students, here are some vocabulary words. The first word is tunnel. Tunnel means surang. Second is thank you, आपका शुक्रिया. Third is grocery, soda self. The fourth one is plug, दांत लगाना. The last one is envelope, लिफाफा. Here is your diary, unit 1, the word in the wall is for reading and words meaning is for learn plus HA and also makes sentences from vocabulary word. At the end, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Okay dear students, Allah Hafiz, see you soon.